Alright, so my dear friends and family, hope that things are fine and having really good time. So my dear brothers and sisters, today in this video I would love to share with you a common things and we have to talk about these things. Actually most of the time we are ignoring these things. That's why I think I should make a video on this topic so that actually our audience or our youth can be motivated after watching my video. So, my dear brother and sister, my intention is very clear, and I have to talk about these things. The thing is, we all want to learn English. We all want to learn English. Actually, we are not able to speak English. Why? Because we are going through a bad direction, a wrong direction. You have to change your direction. You have to change your direction. You have to create your own path. That means right now you are on the journey. You are on the journey. That's why you have to separate yourself from the crowd. And for learning English, what kind of things we really need to cover, my dear brother sister. So I'm getting the same question every day. So today in this video, I would love to share these things. Share things is very special for you. So my dear brothers, why we can't speak English? Why we cannot speak English? The right way is you have to feed your brain. You have to feed your brain. Without feeding your brain, nothing will be possible, my dear brother and sister. Whether believe or not, it doesn't matter. I have to say these things. I have to share those kind of things which is really important, which is really needed for our life. So my dear brother and sister, so just believe in yourself, and I believe you can do everything. The things I try to understand, the thing is you have to feed your brain properly. So how can you feed your brain properly? You can listen. I know very well these things, but why are you talking about these things? It's truly important, my dear brother sister. In my opinion, I would like to share example with you. An example. I would like to share with you an example so that you can be inspired after watching my video. So the example is a baby or a child learning English by observing. So you have to have an observing mind. Here is my point. This is my point. You have to understand it, my dear brother and sister. You have to create an observing mind. It's truly important. It's truly significant for our journey, especially English journey. And this is the thing I try to understand you, my dear brother and sister. A baby can learn English by observing. It is really true, right? So you have to accept it and just keep going. I believe you can do everything. Don't try to study on grammar, rules, definition. You are not able to speak English, my dear brother and sister. Don't be frustrated about yourself. Just believe in yourself. And I always try to say, you have to go through a right way. You have to go through a right way. Don't be frustrated about your journey, about your dream. Just keep going. I believe you can do everything. And some people criticize me, some people ignore me, and they are saying I am copying texts, I'm copying others when I speak English and when I make video. So I don't want to more longer today's video. So my dear brother and sister, if you got my points, please let me know. So today I don't want to it more longer. See you some another video, and please subscribe my channel so that I can be motivated, I can be inspired after getting your subscription. Thanks for this video. All the best. Pray for me.